Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this evening I'm going to do an after dark power hour of cleaning, and I thought I'd bring you all along. I am doing this video in collaboration with Stevie's Life, so I'm gonna pop her channel in right here and you should go check her out. She's also doing a fall themed, I don't think I mentioned that, fall themed power hour cleaning session after dark. So go check her out. She has a lot of really cute videos, cleaning and mom life and grocery hauls, and if you're interested in my channel, you'll probably love her channel. So definitely go check her out. So let's get cleaning. I also want to mention that a very awful thing happened last night and it was fixed today. My garbage disposal backed up. I kind of thought it was dead. I definitely thought I killed the garbage disposal. I put too much potato peels down the disposal. I've never had that happen before. We lived here a long time. I've never clogged the disposal. So I thought that was it. Like, I thought I kicked the bucket. Anyway, my stepdad came over today and thankfully he was able to fix it and drain it and everything's fine, but there is a lot of stuff on the counters that was under the cabinet, so you're gonna see me cleaning under the cabinets in the kitchen to get the water. The water's out, but it was disgusting water, so I feel like I definitely need to clean it with cleaner and then put everything that's on the counters back under the cabinets. So I wanted to preface that because there's not usually all of this stuff out on my counters, so that's why it's extra messy. So I'm going to start by using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the apple cider scent down under the cabinets where we had that awful dirty garbage disposal water. And then I'm going to put everything that was under the cabinets back under there. And here I'm showing you the time on my phone to show you the power hour, but of course I didn't get a full hour in. I did, but it didn't video all the way through. Now I'm just going to get all of the dishes that are in the sink into the dishwasher. I like to try to do this every night just to make sure that I wake up to a clean sink in the morning. The sink was really dirty from where the garbage disposal had backed up. It was literally all the way to the top of the sink, the water was, because I ran the dishwasher, and then since the garbage disposal is attached to the dishwasher, it backed up even further. So that was pretty scary, thinking it was going to overflow, but the sink was pretty gross because of that water standing in there. So I definitely cleaned it really well here with the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. Usually I use something a little bit stronger to deep clean the sink, but it really did the job, so I left it at that. Here I'm using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. I love this for the oven and the microwave. This works really great to clean inside your oven as well, but I like to use this on the outside of the oven just to get any of the splatter from cooking off and to just shine everything up a little bit. I'm also using a Target brand magic eraser here to try to get any of the little burn marks and things like that that can get onto the stovetop. So that takes it off pretty well. I have a couple marks on there that are just never going to come off, but it helps a little bit. Here I am using my Method wood cleaner. I like to use this on my kitchen table. I've talked about this cleaner a ton of times. It smells amazing. It smells like almond extract, and that is my favorite scent. So I love using this. I really like to use it on the table. I feel like it kind of shines it up a little bit. We've done a lot of crafts and things on this table, so there's a few marks that are just never coming off, but I feel like it does a good job of cleaning it. I decided I wasn't feeling my fall decoration setup. I had my fall runner on the kitchen bar area, and then the placemats were on the table, but we're constantly moving those placemats around and just trying to avoid getting food on them and stuff, which I know is like the opposite of what you're supposed to do with placemats, but these, I feel like they're a decoration, and I don't want to get food on them, so I'm constantly moving them around, and they're like in a little pile, and I just felt like they would be a little bit better up on the kitchen bar. So I put those up there, and then I moved the runner down to the table along with the vase with some various little plastic pumpkins and acorns and things like that in it, and I feel like it looks a lot better. My mother-in-law made the table runner. I love it. I've used it several years in a row. And then most everything else came from Big Lots with the exception of the flowers. I think most of the flowers and any of the leaves I have out came from the Dollar Tree. And this is my new purposeful planner, which I'm planning to do an unboxing for. And just kind of show you all exactly how I use it and the system that's set up in it. This planner is my favorite planner ever, and I feel like it is getting me so much more organized and helping me manage my time a lot better. So thank you so much for watching my cleaning video. My battery died partway through because I have not charged it in a little while. It was fully charged, I swear, but I guess just because I hadn't stuck it on the charger in a while, it wasn't fully charged. So I probably got about 45 minutes on here, so it's close to a power hour. But what ended up happening is I just cleaned the kitchen like crazy because that mess that happened in here earlier was so horrific. So I really wanted to just clean everything in here. So I'm going to show you the final cleaning. So as you can see, I didn't really make it into the living room. It's mostly clean right now. There's a few toys out over there. That is a mess. And you can see our Doc Tot box back there. But I'm gonna get to that. Probably not tonight. I'm gonna tidy up the rest of the toys and put those away. But I'm not gonna go crazy vacuuming or anything like that. I'm going to save that for a separate video. So thank you so much for watching my power 45-minute-ish video of me cleaning the kitchen really well. And I will see you in the next video, and make sure to check out Stevie's life and go check out her cleaning video, because I'm sure it's going to be a lot more put together than mine was. With my battery dying, and I'm just I don't know. I have definitely got the pregnancy brain lately, so I feel a little bit scattered. But thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more shenanigans and cleaning and random mom brain things. It's like, it's kind of late, guys, so I need to go to bed. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.